My name is K. Simhachalam. Welcome to online classes Padmavati Junior and Degree College. So, today I will discuss the topic waves. Waves. This is intermediate, second year, first topic. So, now we discuss about waves. So, first of all, we discuss about what is the meaning of wave. What is the meaning of wave? A wave is a kind of oscillations or disturbance that travels through a spaced matter. So that is wave. A wave is kind of oscillation that travel through a spaced matter. A wave is a wave kind of oscillation or distribution that are travel through a spaced matter. Okay. So now we discuss about wave motion. Wave motion means the energy transfer from one place to another place. Wave motion means the energy transfer from one place to another place. So, wave motion means the energy transfer from one place to another place. Okay, so this is wave motion. Wave motion means a wave is traveling some distance, only energy is transferred, but not particles is transferred. Okay, so now we discuss about classification of waves. So now we discuss about characteristics of waves. Now we discuss characteristics of waves. So, a wave characterized by following properties. That is, first one, amplitude. Second one, wavelength. Third one, time period. Fourth one, frequency, and fifth one, phase, and sixth one, wave speed. So now we are going to topic. So these are characteristics of waves. So amplitude, wavelength, time period, frequency, phase, and wave speed. So now we discuss about amplitude. Amplitude means the maximum displacement of the particle executing simple harmonic motion from its mean position is called amplitude. So let us see. So this is one of the wave. So the wave is propagate along this direction. This is the mean position. The way the particles displaces maximum displacement. This is maximum displacement. Maximum displacement. So that is said to be amplitude. So amplitude means the maximum displacement of the particle executing simple harmonic motion from its mean position is called amplitude. Is called amplitude. Amplitude can be measured in centimeters or meters. So now we discuss about wavelength. So wavelength means the distance between two successive points. The distance between two successive points having same phase. Having same phase is called wavelength. So let us see. So this is one of the successive points. This is one of the successive points. The distance between two successive points is denoted lambda. Lambda is indicates wavelength. Lambda is indicates wavelength. So wavelength means the distance between two successive points having same phase is called wavelength. So now we discuss about time period. So time period means the time taken to produce one wave or one vibration of the particles is called time period. Is called time period. It is denoted capital T. It is denoted capital T. Okay. So next one, frequency. Next one, frequency. Frequency means the number of waves or vibrations are produced per second is called frequency. Is called frequency. That is equals to mu is equals to 1 by T. Here frequency is denoted nu, letter nu. That equals to 1 by T. That equals to 1 by T. So frequency, the units of frequency hertz are kilohertz. Okay, this is the unit. Next, phase. Phase means it represents status, position and direction of the vibrating particles. Direction of the vibrating particles. So that is said to be phase. So phase means, so here consider the wave is following in this way. So this is pi radius. So this is one of the phase, and the wave, the particles, vibrating particles is oscillating mean position. Is oscillating mean position. So this is one of the cycles. So this is pi radius. So total 2 pi radius. Total 2 pi radius. So therefore the units of phase radius. The units of phase radius. Now we discuss about wave speed. Now we discuss about wave speed. Wave speed means speed of wave at a wave which travels. At a wave which travels. It is mostly related to wave speed. Wave speed is equals to frequency into wavelength. Frequency into wavelength. I mean, the product of frequency into wavelength is called wave speed. Is called wave speed. So wave speed is commonly used the visible of light and electromagnetic waves. Visible of light and electromagnetic waves. Now we discuss. Let the wave is traveled by in t seconds. In t seconds, that is equals to lambda meters. That is equals to lambda meters. Now the wave is traveled by 1 second. Traveled by 1 second equals to lambda by t. Equals to lambda by t. So now the definition of wave speed. The definition of wave speed. The definition of wave speed. V is equals to lambda by t. V is equals to lambda by t. So according to wave velocity, according to wave velocity, V is equals to nu lambda. This is equation 1, this is equation 2. From equation 1 and 2. From equation 1 and 2 we get V is equals to nu lambda. V is equals to nu lambda. Are you understand? So V is equals to nu lambda. Here nu is said to be frequency, lambda is said to be wavelength. So the wave speed is indicates the product of frequency into wavelength. Okay. So now we discussed about classification of waves. Classification of waves. Classification of waves. So the waves are classified into two types, that are mechanical waves and electromagnetic waves. Let us see a small trick. Mechanical wave and electromagnetic waves. The mechanical waves are classified into two types, progressive wave and stationary wave. So the progressive waves are classified into two types. Longitudinal and transverse waves. Okay, transverse waves. So now we discuss one by one. Okay, waves are transferred into two types. First one mechanical waves and second one electromagnetic waves. So mechanical waves means waves that are oscillating matter. Is called mechanical waves. For example, sound wave is mechanical wave. Sound wave is mechanical wave. Let us see. Now some force is applied. This matter or substance. Wave is produced. So wave is produced. That is said to be sound wave. So therefore, sound wave is said to be mechanical wave. Okay. So the mechanical wave is propagated must be required a medium. Okay. So now the mechanical waves are classified into two types, that are progressive waves and stationary waves. So first one we discuss progressive waves. So progressive wave means a progressive wave is one which travels a definite distance with constant amplitude. It doesn't returns to the starting position or starting point is called progressive wave. So the progressive waves are classified into two types. First one is longitudinal wave, second one is transverse wave. So now we discuss longitudinal wave. So longitudinal wave means the direction of vibration of the particles of medium and parallel to the direction of propagation. Wave propagation is called longitudinal wave. So a ray fractions and compressions are make up a wave. So that is longitudinal wave. So the longitudinal waves are ray fractions and compresses. In longitudinal wave, the rate fractions and compressions are formed. Okay. Next one, the longitudinal wave does not exhibit polarization. Most important bit. Okay. Longitudinal wave does not exhibit polarization. Does not exhibit polarization. Okay. So now we discuss about transfer wave. Transfer wave means the direction of vibration of the particle. The direction of vibration of the particle of a medium. The direction of vibration of a medium. Yes, right hand to the wave propagation. Yes, right hand to the wave propagation. These are transfer waves. These are transfer waves. So in transfer waves, crust and trough are formed. Okay, crust and trough are formed in a transfer wave. So the transfer waves must be exhibit polarization. The transfer waves form only solids. So the longitudinal waves forms solids and liquids and gases. Okay. So this is the difference between longitudinal waves and transfer waves. This is also said to be the difference between longitudinal waves and transfer waves. Okay, longitudinal waves form solids, liquids, gases. Transfer waves form only solids. So now we discuss about the velocity of wave speed or velocity of the longitudinal wave and transfer wave. So the longitudinal wave speed v is equals to root E by d. Here v is said to be wave speed or velocity, E is elastic modulus, and d is density of the substance. So in liquid, in solids, first we discuss. In solids, the wave speed v is equals to root y by d. Here y is said to be x modulus, d is said to be density of the substance. Now wave speed in liquids v is equals to root over v by d. Here v is said to be bulk modulus of the substance and d is density of the substance. And next one, in gases, that is equals to v is equals to root over p by d. Here pressure of this gases, that is according to Newton's law. Okay, so according to Laplace equation, wave speed v is equals to root over gamma p by d. Here gamma equals to cp by cd. So cp means a constant pressure, cd means a constant volume. The ratio in between constant pressure and constant volume of the gases, that is indicates Laplace equation. Okay, this is the wave speed of longitudinal wave. Okay, now we discuss about wave speed of transfer wave. density nu is equals to mass by length. Mass by length. Mass by length. Okay. Here mu is said to be mass by length. Nu is equals to linear density. Nu is equals to mass by length. Okay. So this is the wave speed of transfer waves. Okay. So now we discuss about stationary waves. Stationary waves means more than two waves are propagated in a bounded medium. Propagated in a bounded medium with same speed and opposite direction.
లవ్వనేది బతుకమ్ము అనుకున్నదంటే పోదు నమ్ము ముద్దు నుంచి అందరన్న మాటే గాని మళ్ళీ అంటున్నానే అమ్ము ఇది చెప్పకుండా వచ్చేతుమ్ము ప్రేమ నవ్వలేము నన్నుటమ్ము
One of the string is fitted into two rigid supports. Now the string is vibrating along this. So the wave is propagated along this direction, and the wave is at the end of the second rigid support reflected, and reflected wave is superimposed. This is said to be superimposed. So this resultant wave is said to be stationary wave. Resultant wave is said to be stationary wave. Here said to be antinode. This is said to be node. So the distance between that node and antinode lambda, and antinodal node lambda by 4. Lambda by 4. This is lambda by 2. This is lambda by 2. This is lambda by 4. Okay. So this is the stationary waves. Okay. So further we discuss about stationary waves, and final one electromagnetic wave. Final one electromagnetic wave. So electromagnetic waves means the which are created electric and magnetic fields, which are created electric and magnetic fields of this magnetic fields that are said to be electromagnetic waves. Electromagnetic waves. For example, electromagnetic waves, radio waves, gamma rays, UV rays, and X-rays. These are the best examples of the microwaves. These are the best examples of the electromagnetic waves.